Welcome to my channel, friends. My name is Mary if you're new here, and I live in Colorado. And today I am joining Sonia at the Domestic Diva home. That's one of her 3 channels, and I'll put a link for it down below in my description box. But guys, she is hosting this fall porch decorate with me, front porch that is. And so today that's what I'm going to be doing. We're going to clean this place up. I've already stripped away all of my summer decor, and we're going to get to cleaning quickly, and then we'll move on to our decorations. And guys, I love the fall for decorating because it is quite a long season. You can leave your fall decorations up for like 2.5 months, really, from September to Thanksgiving if you like. And guys, you know, let's make our world more cheerful. And oh my gosh, speaking of cheerful, if you follow my channel, you know that I'm a really big gardener. And oh my goodness, I'm going to show you a picture right here. Last week we had snow, probably about 6 inches, although not all of it stuck because of the warmer ground, you know, and so on. But anyway, summer is over here in Colorado and I'm ready for fall. So let's get started on doing our fall porch extravaganza. So here we are starting to clean up, and oh my goodness, the leaves and grime, spider webs that accrue over the summer. And although I have cleaned it up some, I haven't given my porch a thorough cleaning, so I had to get my broom out first and really get in and around all of my furniture. And then guys, I have one of these leaf blowers, so for getting every little scrap of dirt off my porch, this thing works fantastically. Now I've got a bucket of water and soap, and I'm cleaning off all the pieces of furniture and everything just to make it look nice and clean again, because it was quite grimy, I have to say. So getting all the tables and chairs and my railing cleaned was really important for, you know, getting ready for my decorations. And so we're next going to be starting on hanging up my wreath, my fall wreath that I made last year. And then I have a really fun fall sign that I got a couple of years ago at Hobby Lobby. And then I wanted to add my hay bales out as part of my decor this year. And I like to stack them and put other cute items with them, such as this really nice indoor-outdoor lantern that I got during the summer. And I always enjoy putting some fruit out if possible, like these really pretty grapes. As you know, grapes are a fall harvesting fruit, so it's nice to have them out there. And there is my pumpkin that I did some work on to make it a little bit more aged looking, I guess you could say. And then here I'm adding just a couple of more pumpkins and other items to fill out the little vignette. And then here's a guest star, my little miss, part of my Colorado family, who stopped by to see what I was doing. Of course, we have to have some scarecrows, and oh my goodness, look at this. I thought the lantern would fit on one of these lower shelves, but alas, no, it did not. So it wound up being placed on the ground. Now here's my basket that I filled with a bountiful look of pumpkins and greenery. And then I'm finishing out the little corner piece here that I put a buffalo check plate on, and I'm adding some other little picks with fall colors to really brighten up that corner. Now I have a couple of large bushes that I'm going to be adding to a wooden box that is on the bottom shelf of my little white table that is between the two chairs on my porch. So I just fluffed them out, and then I'm switching over here to the porch swing that I'm using to add some interest to the corner of this area. And I have a pumpkin and a little scarecrow. Got to get him sitting up straight. And I do enjoy using scarecrows in my fall decor, that is for sure. To me, that is part of the fall. Now I need to come over here and bring, it's going to be a little bit hard for you to see it. Unfortunately, I didn't give a good view of this. But this is a birch tree that I have used sometimes in my winter or fall decor with white lights. So I'm going to enjoy having that lit up in the dark as the days get shorter and we want to have lanterns outside and some light as from this little birch tree. And as you could see there, I'm using an old blouse with fall colors as my little tree skirt. I just sort of bunched it up around the base, and then I'm adding one of these triple tower of pumpkins there. Well, my decorating is done. Here's a look over to that corner, and I still have my Boston fern hanging there. It actually didn't freeze when we had our snow, which was really surprising. So I'll keep it up for a while longer. Here's my steps and entryway featuring some hay bales, as you saw, this lovely fall sign, and this really beautiful fall wreath, if I do say so myself, that I made last year. I really like it with its Hello Fall little sign. And I just love all the colors and the bows and the ribbons, everything. We are welcoming fall here. And there you see my inexpensive Walmart rug that I use seasonally. Guys, that is one of the best ways to create a fall or a spring vibe on your porch with not much money. Just buy a cheap Walmart rug that kind of reflects the colors of the seasons. You know, it's a good way and an easy way to do it inexpensively. This is a little ice cream making bucket made of wood that I bought years and years ago and still am hanging on to it. I just love it. Now over here on my comfy chairs, I placed a plaid wool blanket out here because, you know, Colorado, you can sit out in the fall for quite a long time actually and enjoy the pretty blue skies that we have at this time of year, and cuddling up under a cozy blanket, of course. You can't go wrong with that, right? And we have also some inexpensive Walmart pillows that are great for the out of doors. They're only like $5 a piece. And then I have this little vignette here with a wooden porch swing and a lantern. And of course we have to have a turkey out for Thanksgiving time in November. I like to put out things for all of the fall events that we have. I really like this little corner on my porch. I just think it's so welcoming and charming. And then of course I'll show you this again from this viewpoint. My hay bale and wreath by my front door. Those hay bales are so cute. And I just like that little look. Very farmy, isn't it? And there's a look down toward that side of my porch again. I hope you enjoyed how my porch turned out and that it gave you a little inspiration for your own front porch to welcome friends and family into your home. And guys, my next video, let's see, I think it's coming out on Saturday, and we'll be doing some indoor fall decor. So please come back, and I hope you will think about subscribing, like I said. And if you really enjoyed my video, give it a big thumbs up, would you please? I really appreciate that. Come on back now.